Graduating? What now? Well, that's something that I found myself googling the other day. Well, this is what we've always done, right? Wherever we've had a problem, we've googled it, and there must have been some person talking about it on the internet that was quite soothing to him, and we had a roadmap already what to do. Well, I figured that I couldn't Google my way out of this one. Well, all my roommates have left, as you see. This is my empty dorm room, and this is also what my life looks like currently. Everybody is heading in their own way, and it's just me on my own path right now. Well, college is not just the end of 4 years of degree, but it is also a lot of uncertainty. It is also a lot of, I've never graduated before, so obviously I don't know what it feels like to graduate. So it's really overwhelming. Um, the uncertainty can be looked for two ways. Well, I figured out one looks like, oh well, I do not know what I'm doing, and the other looks like, oh, I have so many possibilities. I could literally do anything. I could literally start sewing tomorrow. I could get like a sewing machine and make DIY projects. So, and that's literally one of my plans. Okay, as funny as that sounds. So yeah, and you must be thinking, oh, what is she all going about? She's done a degree of 4 years. She already has a job. How does it even make sense that you do not know what you're doing? Well, it's not that simple. Okay. Anybody who's graduating would relate that it's really, really not that simple. As every engineering student does, they take up the degree and they figure out that what they want to do in life, and that is exactly what I'm doing. I all the college while I thought that we'll figure it out once the degree gets over. We still have time. We still have time. And we stand now here that I have 4 days left in this campus. Well, it's quite overwhelming, but it's also quite promising, and I'm really excited to see where life takes me in the next 3 years. I'm moving back home, and I am really going to miss this life and campus. No, I did not have the best college life, and not the typical college life. I wouldn't say this is not the best college life, but not the typical best college life people look out for. I've had my own set of experiences, and I've thoroughly enjoyed them.